Hey everybody, this is the Red-Headed Lockpicker, and today I am going to try for my orange belt on the lockpicking Reddit. And so this is Master Lock number 150, and I'm going to use the top of the QA tension wrench. I didn't have one, so I went ahead and made one with a welding rod. So I hope that works well. I'm going to be using this hook. Focusing the greatest. Anyway, and then here's the key. And here's the key working in the lock. Alright. So let's get this going and see if it works. A little rotation. There it goes. Alright. I appreciate the opportunity to do this. I have a website called redheadedlockpicker.com, and if you want, you can see other videos on there, as well as my YouTube channel, Red-Headed Lockpicker. If you would, I'd appreciate if you liked and shared and commented. Definitely subscribe, and just kind of like everybody else, I think later on, once I get more familiar with this, I'll start getting into doing giveaways and things. I've got this whole bag of random locks back there that maybe I can do something with. Anyway, appreciate your time and have a great day.